Welcome back to my channel. My name's Alicia and this is Heart in Hand Creations and Events. Welcome back, everyone. In today's video, I will be sharing with you my first art workshop at the public library. And right here you see that class is already in session. Guys, I had to blur out the guests' faces because I didn't get a chance to ask for permission to video, so I blurred out, especially to protect the younger ones. So right here we have gotten started. In the beginning I introduced myself, and then I told a little bit about myself. Then I showed my guests a short video on beginners. It's a beginner's video of how to do acrylic paint pours, and that's what we did today. After that, I was able to move forward with the session based on what I have learned through trial and error. So as you see, everybody's at this point here, everyone is mixing their paints with water, and I am explaining to them what the consistency of the paint should be. And while they do that, I went around and gave everyone white paint and drops of silicone in their colors. Believe me, guys, this is my first time, as I mentioned, and it was a little bit nerve-wracking, but then at some point all of that left because I had to focus on everybody that had questions, and me chiming in with things, every now and then explaining things. And yep, it was nice. It was interesting. It was nice. Everybody had a great time and wanted to know when was the next one. There are many techniques for doing acrylic pours, and today's method will be pouring each color of paint into a large 9-ounce cup in several layers until all of the colors have been added. Water was also added to the white acrylic paint to thin it out to the proper consistency, and this will be the base color for these acrylic paintings today. And at this point, I believe everyone is ready to actually do the pour. I explained that, which it is true, that based on my experience and what I've heard others artists say through YouTube University, that the whole prep is what takes the longest. Like, that is essential. It takes the longest. It's because it's tedious. You have to have the right measurements if you're using a scale. If you're not using a scale, you have to know what you're doing. If you're eyeballing, which means you have to know which is what I had to show this class today. But I did go around to make sure everyone's paint had the proper consistency or close to it. And right here you see that the pouring has started. This is the fun part, y'all. So here I had everyone pour their white paint mixture onto the canvas, right in the middle. And once they have emptied the cups, then they were to pick up their canvases and start either shifting the paint around until it hit all 4 corners, or they could take a popsicle stick and just graze across the top of it to pull or push it near the edges to fill in the whole canvas. Next step, everyone has begun to layer their paint colors. Layering the paint colors is also a technique to be mastered in order to get the right color pattern on the canvas. As I'm doing this workshop, guys, I'm realizing what I've learned through trial and error is that all of the colors have to have the same consistency in order to get the results that you want on canvas. All of the colors have to flow evenly together. Once the white paint has been spread out over the canvases, everyone has started pouring their colors onto the canvas. Now this here is the fun part. Once the colors have been poured onto the canvas, this is where you can begin shifting and moving your canvas around in a tilted, angled, rotating fashion. And that's how you spread the colors around, get them as close as you can to the edge, you know, little by little. It's a process. Everyone seemed to be having a great time. I know I did. As a matter of fact, the class did a great job. A few of the class members did improvise a little bit, creating their results by using the paint stirrers to manipulate the paint. Great job, guys. I was very impressed with the results. And here are the final results. What do you think, guys? Let me know how you think these paintings turned out. I think they turned out wonderful. And this was everybody's first time ever participating in a workshop or even doing an acrylic art workshop. And they were impressed with themselves. But I would like to say thank you to the Pennsauken Library, the Pennsauken Public Library here in my neighborhood, and the staff here that helped me get set up today. Thank you guys so much. I really appreciate you all very much. And again, guys, if you like the content of this video, give me a thumbs up for a like. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you are new to this channel. And hello to my subscribers. Hey, guys. And again, don't forget to share, guys, and comment below. See you in the next video.